rocket.
Where?
Vandenberg. You don't see that very often, but this is beautiful timing.
Wow.
This is my 5th one at this time of day.
It was scheduled today?
Yes. Every 2 weeks. They just said it's a different time every 2 weeks. I caught that just right. I see the sun's down,
Yeah.
and then they shoot them off like that, and people start freaking out. 911's probably packed right now.
Yeah. Where's Vandenberg?
You know the area a little bit?
Kind of, yeah.
You know where Oxnard and Ventura are?
Yeah,
up in there. That's the air base, and it takes off from there.
It's amazing.
That was it. This is a good one.
Wow.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, do you know what that is?
That's my 5th one, and they timed it just right with the sun.
Yeah, right? I know that trail's great.
Yeah. I saw the very first one that they did. It freaked the whole town out.
What is it? You know?
And people see that shit. 911, I bet you, is just crammed right now. The Russians are coming. The Russians are coming.